As the climate changes, everyone is learning to adapt to overcome new challenges to keep our environment safe and healthy. But not every challenge looks the same. In eastern Washington, low water supply can cause issues for crops, fish, and wildfire risk. But on the west side of the state, problems range from both too much and too little water. Today, I'm talking with Kristen Marshall of the Snohomish Conservation District. Together with partners, she's working to solve a major issue caused by climate change.
On the west side of the Cascades, we have an interesting problem. We have a lot of water in the winter that we have to manage. And then in the summer, our summers are actually becoming increasingly drier, and our summer dry season is actually extending. We expect to get the same amount of water, but we're getting it in bigger events, so more water at the same time that is potentially going to overwhelm existing drainage and flood protection infrastructure that's been in place in some cases since the 50s. Drainage Improvement District 7 is located just west of Stanwood, Washington. It's a very small but very important agricultural area in Snohomish County. There is a sea dike that DD7 maintains that is actually the main flood protection for the entire city of Stanwood. And it also protects hundreds of acres of really important commercial farmland. On top of that, there's freshwater streams that flow into ditches and ditch streams. And those ditches are undersized for the amount of stormwater that's heading down. So then we have this coastal squeeze effect happening at DD7, where we have more water coming off the hill, more fresh water, and then we have seawater from Puget Sound pushing up against that aging dike.
With the help of the Snohomish Conservation District, Drainage District 7, Stillaguamish Tribe, and the city of Stanwood are working with local farmers to replace the aging dike, working together to solve a problem that impacts everyone in the region.
We're facing a lot of the same challenges, and there are just so many opportunities for us to work together to find better, stronger solutions that are going to serve all of our communities here. You see it in agriculture. We have farmers who are really working with tribes and understand that they're all just working to support their families, support their culture. That's just an incredibly inspiring way to work together. So that's what excites me about working with the partners I do. Really being able to think about how this place looks for future generations and how we can steward it to hand it off to them in the future.